Hey, hello everybody. Welcome back to Hands On with BLG. I am BLG, and Lefty and Righty are outside playing in the rain puddles today. So, anyway, for the longest damn time, I've been bitching and screaming. I'm hooked up through my 5G, it's supposedly, internet speed, burying speed needles all over testers, and still watching YouTube kicks from my 1080. I'll put it in high def 1080. It'll kick me back down to 720, like 3 or 4 times a video. I'm gonna show you how to fix that instead of to stay in your 1080 high def. I tried looking online. It's all older crap, and YouTube isn't like that anymore. This is, as you can see, right, January 22nd, 2020, or January 25th, 2022. Okay? So, here's how we're going to make this so it plays your videos and stays in 1080 high definition. Go to YouTube, whatever browser you use, your plain home YouTube page right here. Now, click on your account thing, whatever your account is, whether you do YouTube or video, it doesn't matter. Click on your little profile. Boink, left click. We want to go down here where it says settings. We're going to click on settings, right? And we want to come here to playback and performance. And it's right here, folks. You got your info cards, okay, show info and video. Subtitles and closed captions. Yeah, you can put them on if they're there in the game, put them on. This makes no sense at all. Everybody's been saying, oh, you just go here and you go there, or you download this and it adds an extra window to something, and you go and select 1080. This makes no sense at all. AV1 settings. Audio video 1, maybe? I had it set to auto right here, folks. I had it set to right there, and it just went apeshit, kicking me off of high def into low def, and I'm through Ethernet, okay? Click on the bottom one right here. Always prefer AV1, right? Badoosh. Click on that. You're done, okay? Redo YouTube. Pop back in here. I don't want to get in trouble for playing something that's kicking me on and off. Here's my newest video. We'll come in here and looky. I don't need the sound, but looky here. If you can look right, y'all, it's in high def. It will not switch to 720. It will stay in 1080 high def. It is locked on. It will not waver. It won't mess around. You can skip through the video all you damn well want. And look at there, ladies and gentlemen, high def. And it stays there. It may blur out just a little bit every now and then, but it stays. Okay? And that's all there is to it. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around